5 reasons America has a trade career shortage in 2025. Look, I'm going to be real with you right now. America's screwed. And I'm not talking about politics or the economy or whatever else the news is freaking about today. I'm talking about something way more basic, way more fundamental. We literally don't have enough people to fix our stuff anymore. Your air conditioner breaks in July? Good luck finding someone who can fix it this month. Need a plumber? Hope you like cold showers for a week. Want to build a house? Better add 6 months to your timeline if you can find a contractor. Half a century on this planet has taught me some things. Been swinging wrenches and fixing HVAC systems for nearly 3 decades now. Started when I was young and dumb. Well, I'm older now. Still working on the dumb part. Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Reason number 1, the stigma is real and it's killing us. Here's the brutal truth nobody wants to talk about. Society has been telling kids for decades that working with your hands makes you a failure. Go to college or you'll end up like the plumber. Really? Really? You know what happened to the plumber everyone was supposed to avoid becoming? He bought 3 rental properties while his college buddy is still paying off student loans for a degree. And what is it? Medieval poetry? I've got almost 15 years running my own HVAC business. You know what I learned? The guy with the wrench often out-earns the guy with the degree. But here's where it gets really messed up. Parents are literally steering their kids away from these careers that are recession-proof, can't be outsourced to China, pay better than most office jobs, actually matter when stuff breaks. We've created this weird class system where getting your hands dirty somehow makes you less than. Newsflash, when your toilet backs up at 2 a.m., you're not calling a philosophy major. The stigma is so deep that guidance counselors don't even mention trades as an option. They act like it's college or McDonald's. Meanwhile, skilled tradespeople are making $80K to $100K to $150K a year. Some of my HVAC contractor buddies, they're pulling in $400K plus. But sure, keep telling kids they need to go into debt for 4 years to maybe get a job that pays half that. Reason number 2, the great retirement tsunami. Here's a fun fact that'll keep you up all night. The average age of skilled tradesperson in America, 56 years old. Let that sink in for a second. We've got this massive wave of baby boomers who've been keeping America running for 40 years. And guess what they're doing right now? Retiring in droves. Every single day, 10,000 boomers hit retirement age. These aren't just numbers on a spreadsheet. These are people who know how to wire a house without burning it down, fix your furnace when it's 20 below, build structures that don't fall over, and they're leaving faster than we can replace them. I see it every day in my business. The old timers who taught me everything I know, they're hanging up their tool belts. And who's replacing them? Nobody. Well, not nobody, but not nearly enough. For every skilled tradesperson retiring, we're getting maybe half the replacement, sometimes less. It's like trying to fill a swimming pool with a garden hose while someone's got the drain wide open. This isn't some distant future problem. This is happening right now. Your next emergency repair? Hope the guy who knows how to fix it hasn't retired yet. Speaking of getting into the trades, hey everyone, if you have trouble deciding what trade career to choose, check out CourseCareers. Talk to Coura. This is CourseCareer's new AI career counselor. Coura will help you figure out if electrical work fits your goals, and then you can start the free intro course it suggests, just like students across multiple industries have used to break into high-paying careers fast without any experience or college degree. The intro course will show you exactly what the job is like and how to get hired within 4 to 12 weeks. I'll leave the link in my description and pinned in the comments below for you to check out. Right down there. Reason number 3, technology confusion, the double-edged sword. Here's where things get weird. Everyone thinks technology is going to replace tradespeople. Why learn to be an electrician? Robots will do it. Meanwhile, technology is making trades more complex, not less. When I started in HVAC 3 decades ago, systems were mechanical, simple. Thermostats broke, replace it. Motor died, swap it out. Done. Now, these systems are basically computers with compressors attached, smart thermostats that connect to Wi-Fi, variable speed motors controlled by circuit boards, systems that diagnose themselves and send error codes to your phone. You need to understand electrical theory, computer diagnostics, mechanical systems, refrigeration principles, and now software. But here's the kicker. All this technology still needs human hands to install it, human brains to troubleshoot it, human experience to know when it's lying to you. And trust me, these systems lie. A lot. The robots aren't coming for our jobs. The jobs are getting more interesting and more valuable. A technician who can handle both the old mechanical stuff and the new digital systems, they're worth their weight in gold. But kids see technology and think I need to learn to code. Newsflash, we already learned to code. We just do it with wires and pipes instead of keyboards. Reason number 4, the education system failed us. Remember shop class? Yeah, most schools don't have it anymore. Somewhere along the way, we decided that teaching kids to work with their hands was outdated. We need to prepare them for the knowledge economy. Really? How's that working out? We've got generations of kids who can write code but can't change a tire, can analyze data but can't fix a leaky faucet. Meanwhile, every single building they live in and work, it was built by tradespeople. Every light switch, every outlet, every pipe, every beam. But we don't teach them these careers exist. I went to high school in the late 80s to early 90s. We had auto shop, wood shop, metal shop, electronic classes. Kids got to try things, figure out if they like working with their hands. Some discovered they were good at it, better than sitting at a desk all day. Now, most schools have maybe one technology class where they build a mousetrap car. That's it. We've basically eliminated the pipeline that used to feed skilled workers in the trades. Then we act surprised when nobody knows these jobs exist. It's like removing all basketball courts and wondering why we don't have any basketball players.
Hey, a quick break here. If you want to take a free intro course on how to land a job in the trades, click in the link in the description below, pinned in the comments.
Reason number 5, the money myth. Spoiler, we're paid well. Here's the biggest lie that they tell about trades. You can't make good money working with your hands. Bullshit. Let me break down some real numbers for you. Employee level journeyman, electrician, 60K to 80K plus. Master plumber, 70K to 90K plus. HVAC technician, 55K to 75K plus. Welders, specialized, 80K to 120K plus. Contractor level, this is where it gets really good. Small HVAC contractors, 150 to 400K plus. Specialized electrical contractors, 150 to 300K plus. Master plumbers with their own business, 150 to 400K plus. And here's the beautiful part, no student loans. College graduate versus trade worker starting out. The college graduate with 50K in debt and a 45K starting salary. The trade apprentice with no debt, making 35K in year 1, 50K in year 2, 70K plus by year 4. Do the math. By age 30, the tradesperson is often ahead financially, way ahead. But nobody talks about this because it doesn't fit the narrative. After 15 years building my HVAC company, I can tell you, the money is there. It's really there. You just have to be willing to get your hands dirty to get it. Here's another secret. The trades are recession-proof. When the economy tanks, companies lay off office workers, but people still need heat and air conditioning, working toilets, electricity that doesn't kill them. We're the last people to lose work, not the first. During COVID, I was an essential worker fixing all kinds of broke furnaces and AC units. Look, this problem isn't going to fix itself. We need to change how we think about skilled work in America. For parents, stop telling your kids that trades are backup plan. They're not. They're the first plan for kids who want job security, good money, work that actually matters. For schools, bring back shop classes. Partner with local contractors. Show kids what modern trades actually look like. For young people, stop believing the lie that you need college to succeed. Some of you, you're going to be happier and richer with a wrench in your hand than a degree on your wall. Getting started in the trades. Research. Figure out which trade interests you. Apprenticeship. Most pay you while you learn. Community college. 2-year programs that actually lead to jobs. Online training like CourseCareers. Remember that link? Local unions. They want to train you. Average time to become profitable? 6 to 18 months. Average time to pay off training costs? 1 to 2 years. Average time to out-earn your college friends? 3 to 5 years. Here's what nobody tells you about trades. We're literally keeping civilization running. Every single day, skilled tradespeople keep hospitals powered, ensured clean water flows, maintain the building where people work and live, fix the systems that keep families comfortable and safe. When hurricanes hit, who restores the power? Electricians. When pipes burst, who fixes them? Plumbers. When heating systems fail in the winter, who saves lives? HVAC techs. We're not just workers, we're the people who make modern life possible. And the opportunities for growth? Start as an apprentice, become a journeyman, get your master's license, start your own company, hire apprentices of your own. I know HVAC contractors who started with nothing and now run $1 million businesses. The path is there. The money is there. The respect should be there. Let me tell you about Sarah. Graduated high school in 2019. Everyone told her to go to college. She said, nah, and became an electrician apprentice instead. 4 years later, she's making $100K, has zero debt, and just bought her first house. Her college roommates, still living with parents, paying off loans, working retail. Or Mike, started as an HVAC helper at 22, learned the business inside and out. At 30, he started his own company. Last year, he cleared $280,000 plus. These aren't rare stories. These are normal stories in the trades, but you never hear them because they don't fit the college or bust narrative. Look, I'm not saying college is bad. If you want to be a doctor or a lawyer or an engineer, go for it. But for everyone else, stop overlooking careers that offer good money from day one, job security that can't be outsourced, work that actually matters, respect from people who need you. America has a trade shortage because we forgot to value the people who build and fix everything. That needs to change, and it starts with you. If you're young, looking for direction, consider the trades. If you're a parent, stop steering your kids away from honest work. If you're an employer, start paying tradespeople what they're worth. We built this country with our own hands. We're going to keep it running the same way, but only if we start respecting and recruiting the next generation of skilled workers. The shortage is real. The opportunity is real. The money is real. The question is, are you ready to be part of the solution? If this video helped you, smash that like button. If you want more unfiltered trade career advice, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And here's your trade story for the day. 3 contractors are bidding on a fence job at the White House. The first contractor says, I'll do it for $900. $400 for the materials, $400 for the labor, and $100 profit. The second contractor says, I'll do it for $700. $300 for the materials, $300 for the labor, and $100 profit. The third contractor leans in and whispers, I'll do it for $2,700. $2,700, says the government official. How do you justify that? The contractor whispers back, $1,000 for you, $1,000 for me, and we give the job to the second guy for $700. And that is why your home repairs cost so much. Yeah, I know. My jokes are almost as crooked as some of these contractors out there. But hey, after 5 decades of life and nearly 30 years fixing things that break, you earn the right to terrible humor. Peace out.